WMJX and HD1 Boston and Odyssey Station.
Whether you're hybrid, from home, or going in every day, your at-work station is Magic 106.7 with today's hits and yesterday's favorites. When your coworker has a litter box. Working from home with today's hits and yesterday's favorites. On Magic 106.7. She was here before Alexa and Amazon and still does everything. Happy Mother's Day from Magic 106.7.
Masks off, lobster bibs on. The summer of Biggeth has arrived. So, does the lifting of restrictions mean Big 103 can lick elevator buttons now? Not that we ever did, but it'd be nice to know that we could. Why would Big 103 blow this taco stand when all we want to do is live in one? Please, Big 103 was our father's name. You can call us
Nighthawk. Yeah, definitely Nighthawk.